pareho po kami actually ng background ni Jev. Pareho kaming galing ng corporate. Pareho pa po kaming nagtatrabaho at that time. Mga office girls. We didn't get paid. Wala kaming sweldo, hindi nire-reimburse sa mga pamasahe namin.
Own expense talaga.
Yes, own
Out
expense.
of pocket expenses.
Ang pinaka-konsuelo na lang talaga namin would be the dinner after.
To be honest, madaming gustong makipag-partner kay Success Resources because they really want to bring their events here in the Philippines.
Millionaire. Di kami naglabas ng pera namin na puhunan sa company. Ang ibinigay po namin sa company is kagandahan lang. Hindi, joke lang.
Yung skills and talent namin, magaling talaga kami kumanta.
Remember passing around slam books when you're in high school? Those questions about your crush, your dreams, your friends, and even your first love. We thought they were just for fun.
But what if those questions actually held the secrets to success? Welcome to
Slam Book Millionaire! This is the podcast where we ask the millionaires the same slam book questions to uncover how their childhood and teenage years shape their path to wealth.
Each week, we will sit down with inspiring individuals to reveal the hidden stories behind their extraordinary journeys.
We will discover how their childhood dreams became realities, how they overcame their biggest challenges, and who helped them along the way. My name is Joanna.
My name is Jav. Get ready to be inspired and learn from the slam book secrets of the self-made millionaires.
Subscribe now, and together, let's unlock the secrets to success. Welcome to Slam Book Millionaire
with Joanna
and Jev.
Episode 12!
Ayan. Girl, grabe, ang bilis ng panahon. Nakaka 3 months na tayo. We already have, how many? 11 guests, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh, yes.
Oo. Sobrang dami na nating mga nakausap dito
at
sa
ang dami
Slam Book
nating
Millionaire.
natutunan.
Yes, ang dami rin nating mga nalalaman about their childhood.
Correct.
At papaanong naging sila yung mga tao ngayon na hinahangaan at tinitingala sa mga industries nila.
And
diba?
If you watch our videos, meron kayong moments na, yung natatawa ka kasi natatawa tayo because may mga sinasabi sila na never nilang sinabi online
on
or
the
during
spot.
their talks. Kaya nakakatuwa na they're very generous and willing silang i-share yung mga kasikreto nila noong unang panahon.
At ang nakakatuwa din dito kasi marami sa mga nanonood sa sa mga videos natin, sa podcast natin, whether it's on Facebook, even Spotify. Soon, lalabas na rin po sa YouTube.
Oy, meron na!
Meron na!
Sa YouTube.
So, meron na sa YouTube. So, marami mga nagsasabi na super nag-e-enjoy sila. And they are grateful, girl, ha? Kasi, yun nga, nagkakaroon sila ng new information.
Yes.
Dito sa mga guests natin na parang never been told. Alam mo yan. Tapos yung iba, nagugulat sila. Kumakanta pala. Yung mga ganyan. So, nakakatawa. Marami pong salamat sa inyo sa pagsuporta po ninyo. And of course, pasalamatan na rin natin, girl. Diretsuhin muna natin pasalamatan ang ating venue. Pillow Beds PH and Pillow Bread PH. Yan. So,
our drink for today.
Yes. Ang Pillow Beds PH po, it's an Airbnb. It's a condominium dito po sa Eastwood. And it's owned by our dear friend, the trillionaire gorgeous goddess, Clara De Herrera.
Clara Herrera, hi!
Yes. So, pinapaupahan niya po talaga tong unit niya. So, if you are a content creator, you're looking for a place para po sa mga videos po ninyo, sa podcast po ninyo, this is the perfect place for you. Malinis, maayos, well-maintained, at sobrang ganda po ng energy.
Yes.
Parang pag-feel mo, yung welcoming, tsaka yung warmth, nandoon, no?
True.
Yes.
At saka siya, very cozy.
Yes.
Very
and
nice.
It's in the middle of the city. Kasi nasa gitna lang po siya ng Eastwood. 2 to 3 minutes walk away from the mall.
From the mall. Yun ang pinaka-importante. Kasi it's accessible sa lahat. Mall, restaurants,
Di ka magugutom. And of course, thank you Pillow Breads, also from Clara Day. Ito pong iniinom ko right now. This is a bulletproof coffee. The healthiest coffee that you can get. If you're somebody like me, mahilig ka sa kape, pero ayaw mo nung unhealthy benefits na dala ng coffee, then try this po. Because this is 100% vegan, sugar-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, and low-carb.
And FDA approved.
FDA, yes. At tapos ano po siya, talagang nakaka-feel. Alam mo yung kahit na hindi ka kumain agad, hindi ka po kagad magugutom.
And it's
Ayan.
very safe for those who have lactose intolerance.
Yeah,
diba?
just like you.
Just like me.
Yes.
Kaya very safe yung coffee. And my drink naman, it's Lean Green Boost. This is very good to boost your immune system.
Mm-mm.
And also to reset your, ano ngayon? Gut
Tummy.
health.
Yeah,
Oh,
the gut. Yeah. So if you're looking for something na pampabilis sa metabolism,
Correct.
pang detoxify, then go to the Pillow Bread PH po and you'll see variety of products na ina-offer nila na super healthy.
And
Ayan.
yan. Clara, thank you so much for the drinks.
We
For
love
our-
you. Thank you,
For
Clara
today.
Loves.
Thank you.
Yes. So girl, ganito. Ngayon,
Parang chismis ha.
Oo.
So yun na nga.
so ito na nga. Level 1, sa atin-atin lang. Level 2,
So,
ito
yun
na nga. Mars, anong latest?
Alam mo talaga yung mga intro ng chismosa. So ito na nga.
Kaya nga naghahanap ako ng ibang intro para hindi ako malabel na chismosa. Pero chismosa po talaga ako. Pero eto na nga girl, kasi siguro nag-aantay yung guest natin, nag-aantay yung mga followers and viewers natin. Sino ba yung guest natin? Yung guest po namin, kami lang. Ganito po, ito yung kwento behind why we decided na kaming dalawa ni
Yeah.
Jeff for this episode. Maraming salamat po sa inyo kasi kayo po yung nagbigay sa amin ng idea to actually do this.
Hindi naman namin pinilit to.
Oo. Ang dami po kasi nagme-message sa amin na ang dami nyo natututunan at napipick
Yes.
up na mga life lessons and success tips mula
Correct.
sa mga guests natin. However, may mga nabibitin pala girls sa
Hindi pala
atin.
enough yung 2 episodes natin.
Yes.
Kailangan dagdagan.
Kasi nga, kapag yung guest natin kausap natin, siyempre sila talaga yung more on nagbibigay ng inputs. Tayo, ano lang talaga tayo, moderator lang.
Oo.
So ngayon, para po sa inyo, ang episode na to, kung gusto po ninyo makilala si Joanna at si Jev, this is your time. It's your talk. It's your show. It's time.
Comment down below. Comment down.
Comment down. So ganito, girl. Umpisahan na natin. Ang company natin is called Lorus Enterprises Incorporated or
Yes.
Lorus PH Trainings.
Mhm.
Ayan. So, ang mga ginagawa natin sa company natin, bukod sa nagdadaldalan kami,
So, context muna, Gabi.
Okay.
So, we've been in the business for more than 20 years. Mukha lang talaga kaming mga bata, pero 20
ako
years.
21, ikaw 18.
16.
Ay, 16, grabe.
For more than 20 years, we've been organizing events here in the Philippines
Mm-mm.
related to business.
Yes. Paano siya? Professional growth
Yes.
and personal
Development.
development. Yan.
So
So, anything
we
na
conduct trainings, workshops, seminars related
Mhm.
to business, investments, leadership training,
personal finance,
personal finance, and also self-mastery.
self-mastery, money mindset,
Money
yeah,
mindset.
sales and marketing. So, essentially, anything po that can help an individual
Correct.
or a business elevate or scale up.
Yes.
Yan. So, kami po yung magiging go-to ninyo. Kasi, just like SM, baka naman SM, we've got it all for you.
So, paano ba? If you want to start your business, if you want to grow yourself, hindi mo alam saan ka magsimula, just go to Lorus Enterprises.
Yeah,
Just
we will
contact
be your
Joanna and me.
compass. Compass, ganyan. So, nagsimula yung company natin, girl, 2003 pa. Sabi nga ni Jeff
Baby pa ako
kanina,
nun.
Baby ka. Umuuwa-uwa pa si Jeff. So, 2003 pa unang na-establish ang company.
Yeah.
And this was founded by our business partner and our business mentor na rin, na si
Yes.
Jerome San, together with Angie San,
Yes.
the operations officer po, chief operations officer ng Lorus.
Mhm.
And then in 2005 po, that's when the first event we did. So for the past 20 years, we have already served, my gosh, girl, 30,000, more than
And
30,000.
counting.
Yes, people. And we have just recently concluded, no, our Take-Off Summit, Cashflow 101, and also Millionaire Mind.
Upcoming.
Hindi, Millionaire Mind. May upcoming pa kasi
May
meron
upcoming
pa
tayo.
tayong 2 and 3 for
Correct.
the year. So, nangyari po ang company, kaya po siya nabuhay, nag-exist si company. It's all because of Robert Kiyosaki.
Yes.
Yan. Ang business mentor po kasi namin, talagang sobrang in-idolize po niya si Robert Kiyosaki to the point na pinangarap niyang dalhin si RK. Tawagin na
Yeah.
lang natin RK, si Robert Kiyosaki, dito sa Philippines. So, kakahanap niya ng connection to RK na meet niya si Bellum Tan, who
Bellum Tan.
is
the investment partner of Robert Kiyosaki. So he is called the Rich Dad Asia.
Yes, Rich Dad Asia. And then the very first event was the Rich Dad Asia event in 2005. So ako po, napasok ako sa company in 2009, ikaw, 2012.
Yes.
So, pareho po kami actually ng background ni Jeve. Pareho kaming
Oo.
galing ng corporate. Pareho pa po kaming nagtatrabaho at that time.
Yes.
Mga office girls. Mga office girls kami before. And then we both got into a distribution business.
Yes.
Doon natin nakilala
Doon
si
nakilala
Jerome.
namin yung aming business mentor and now our business partner, Mr. Jerome Sa.
Yes.
Yes.
Tapos, nung time po na yan, he is the only Filipino personally trained to conduct the Cash Flow 101
Correct.
workshop. That's why, nag-cash flow tayo.
Correct.
Ako, first time ko nag-cash flow, girl, mid-2009 to. And I was able to get out of the rat race.
Yes.
And then, tas nag-land ako, nakuha ko yung dream. Di ba, meron kang ego goal na dream doon. So, I was still working. Nasa finance department ako. Sabi ko talaga, girl, nung time na yun, sabi ko, wow, ganito lang pala kadali gumawa ng pera kapag nagne-negosyo ka. So, syempre, na-scam, hindi naman. Totoo naman, madaling gumawa ng pera sa negosyo. Pero of course, there are stages and then
Correct.
marami ka din talagang aralin. Pero at the time kasi, initial thought ko, wow, ganito pala kapag nagkaroon ka ng passive income, ganito pala pag nagkaroon ka ng
Yes.
negosyo. So, that's when I started becoming more serious dun sa distribution business ko.
Mm-mm.
So, from 2009 until I was a volunteer. So, nag-volunteer lang ako kay Lorus. 2013, nag-full-time na ako kay distribution business. I quit from my job. So, sabi ko kasi nung time na yun, because my group is already growing and tumataas na rin yung ranking. Kasi di ba pag sa distribution business,
Correct.
may ranking, tama po, yung mga nasa distribution business, may ranking kasi eh. So, I was already in the mid-rank. Kumbaga para I was already aiming for the mid-rank at that time. So, sabi ko, my team needs me more na. Kasi nakakahiya na rin naman na every time they would need support from me, kailangan antayin yung more free time ko. Nahiya rin ako sa company kasi kailangan kong mag-leave. Alam mo yun, bigla na lang akong kailangan sa business ko, tapos mawawala ako. May responsibilities ako sa company.
Saka nakakapagod na hatiin mo yung sarili mo. Saan ka pa talaga?
True.
Mag-office ba ako? Di ba? Nahihiya ka na
Yes.
rin. Kasi eventually, yung part-time business, which is the distribution business, yun na naging full-time mo and part-time.
Plus, yung kasi, the income is more than the part-time, than the
The
full-time
salary.
job.
Yes.
So, ikaw din ba, ganun din yung naging simula mo?
Yes, I started in 2012 at that time when I prayed for opportunity.
Mhm.
Ang na-present talaga sa akin is the
Yung
distribution.
distribution, yes.
Wala akong kinalam. For an introvert na, kasi I'm an accountant, shy,
CPA.
very shy. Yes, I'm a
CPA ka,
CPA.
diba? Oo.
I'm very shy. So, ang kausap ko lang talaga, yun, lagi ako nasa
Shy
laptop.
ka talaga before, girl?
Yes. Di ba? Maniwala ka na lang. Yes na lang.
Sige na nga.
Pero it was the distribution company. Doon talaga ako na-train.
Yeah.
Magsalita.
Magaling kasi talaga ang distribution
Yes.
business na mahuhon yung leadership mo.
Correct.
Sales and marketing.
Yes, doon ako natutong magbenta talaga in
Talaga?
front of people, magsalita in front of people. So, naging training ground ko siya.
Okay, yes.
So, yun ang pinaka-take away ko talaga doon. Doon ako natuto. And ever since as a kid, I really wanted to become a businesswoman. So, ito
Mhm.
talaga yung perfect opportunity kasi nandyan na lahat.
Yes,
And
provided
most
na.
especially, nandun yung mentor. That's where I met
True.
my mentor, Mr. Jerome San. And, yun na nga, yun na yung nag-pave way dun sa business talaga namin na Loris Enterprises.
Little did we know
Yeah.
na si Cashflow 101 workshop
Correct.
at si distribution business, they are just vehicle pala. Para
Correct.
for the both of us.
Yes.
That actually led us dun sa main vehicle natin. Parang
That's
halimbawa,
our, yun talaga yung totoong mission natin.
yes.
Correct?
Parang halimbawa ba, yung kapag pupunta ko nga tayo ng Boracay, mag-airplane ka muna, tapos may bangka, di ba? Airplane, tapos bangka, tapos either van or tricycle.
Yeah.
Before ka palang pupunta dun sa main destination mo.
Correct.
So parang sa amin, ganun po yung naging journey namin. Ang dami naming vehicles na sinakyan until then, na-realize namin na ito pala talaga, dito pala talaga kami dinadala nang hindi namin alam at all. Kasi the truth about Jev and I, we started with Lorus po as volunteers.
Yes.
So ako, 2009, siya 2012, until 2015, so that would be 6 years for me, ikaw almost 4 years, na nagvo-volunteer. 3 years. So,
Yeah.
kita mo, galing ko talaga sa math. Volunteer lang po kami. And when we say volunteer, dati kasi girl, di ba, ang Cashflow 101 workshop natin every month.
Yes,
Meron po talaga kami, oo,
moderators.
nagmo-moderator po kami. Month in, month out. So, ibig sabihin, 12 times in a year yan. One Sunday, every month po, merong Cashflow 101 workshop. And Jev and I would be there as volunteers.
Mhm.
We didn't get paid. Wala kaming sweldo, hindi nire-reimburse sa mga pamasahe namin.
Own expense talaga.
Yes, own
Out-of-pocket
expense.
expenses.
Ang pinaka-konsuelo na lang talaga namin would be the dinner after. Pero hindi, actually, kahit na volunteers tayo, kami po yung may pinakamaraming inuuwi at the
Yes.
end of the workshop. Ako kasi talaga, I love to learn from other people eh. Number
Exactly.
one, kaya ako I don't know with you. Ako kasi kaya ako nag-volunteer at that time kasi I was able to get out of the rat race. Doon ko naintindihan how business works.
Mhm.
Doon ko naintindihan yung importance ng having a passive income.
Correct.
Different vehicles to make money for you.
Yes.
And then, I also enjoy kasi relearning from Jerome kasi sobrang galing talagang trainer.
True.
Plus number 3, I also get to learn other things, other perspective from the people on the table.
Yes. The same with me.
Mm.
Kasi, I read the book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, even before I joined,
Talaga?
became part of Laura's Enterprises.
Mm-mm.
So, I was so excited na, attend ako ng cash flow.
Mm-mm.
Just like Joanna, nakalabas din ako kaagad ng rat race
Mm-mm.
by learning from
Yes.
yung mga co-participants. Yung kasama ko sa,
Iba talaga yun
kasi may
no?
mga business people din, and then I
Mm-mm.
watch how they move, how they think.
Yes.
Sabi ko, kaya ko to. Diba? So, even in business, ganun naman naman. It's all about copying.
Yes.
You just follow yung, success, the steps na
Yeah,
ginamit
parang
nila.
there's already the blueprint eh.
The blueprint
Yes.
na kailangan
You don't
mo na
have
lang
to
sundin.
reinvent the
Correct.
wheel.
And also, most especially, I fell in love with passive income. As in,
Mm-mm.
after that, ang dami kong investments. Meron akong investments real estate.
Mm-mm.
I also invest in trading. Yun talaga yung powerful talaga yung cash flow for me. And most
Yes.
especially, yung business mentorship from Mr. Jerome San.
Yes. Before
talaga,
we
perfect.
talk about mentorship, girl, because you already mentioned, right now, di ba may isa ka pang business, kayong mag-asawa, which is
Mhm.
the
Smoke
Lab Barbecue. Can you tell our viewers ba, what's with Smoke Lab and what sets it apart from the other businesses offering the same product?
Wala nang akong masasabi kundi masarap talaga.
Hindi, ako, honestly, I can testify. Kasi when I first hindi po ako libre dito. Never pa nga ako nakatikim ng libre. Lagi ako
Uy!
nagbabayad.
Meron,
Pag may event.
Christmas.
Hindi pa, pero masarap po yung nila, yung beef, yung pork yung favorite ko. Yung beef brisket, yung pork belly. Tsaka, super masarap po talaga siya. At saka kasi talaga, alam mong made with love, chinaga talaga. At kasi 10 to 12 hours ba na ini-smoke?
Yes.
Yes.
Oo.
Super
Sobrang
tender.
sipag, tiyaga at pagmamahal.
Yes.
Wow.
Ang tender po ng meat, tapos talagang nuot na nuot yung lasa nung smoke up to the last hibla nung meat. Ay, hello, Smoke Lab. Baka naman.
Kasi alam mo, to be honest, sobrang grateful kami kasi every time we share this to family and even yung may foreigners, masarap talaga siya. And hindi siya nalalayo, and some people would say na mas masarap pa nga eh. Kasi we have a pamangkin ng husband ko na from Texas.
Yeah.
Mas masarap pa nga yung sa inyo, di ba?
Yeah. So if you're looking, nagki-crave ka right now for anything smoke, go to Smoke Lab PH. The details are below this video. And then, kontakin nyo po sila para po matikman na ninyo yung mga products nila. Especially yung latest product nila, which is the Smoke Pares. The only one in the
Pares.
Philippines.
Yes.
So ngayon, balik tayo sa mentorship.
Wow.
Ganun
Layo ng
dapat.
segue, no?
Ganun kabilis yung segue natin dito. So balik tayo ngayon, girls, sa mentorship. What is it about mentorship and why is it so important for you? Para tayong minions eh. Naalala niyo po ba yung mga minions, diba? They always follow Gru wherever they are.
Yeah.
Yung business partner namin na si Jerome, siya yung una nag-introduce sa amin ng idea ng mentorship.
Yes.
Yes. So ikaw, para sa'yo, on your personal journey,
How
why
important
mentorship is important?
Important siya because siya yung magiging North Star mo in the beginning. Siya yung magga-guide sa'yo. When I started doing business, wala naman akong idea about business, di ba? Pwede ko siyang gawin on my own, pero it will take me years para ma-achieve yung success na hinahanap ko. But if you have this mentor, siya yung mag-guide sa'yo, sasabihin niya, this is pag meron kang action step na gagawin, alam mo, i-guide ka niya, tama ba yan, mali ba yan, ito, I think this is way better. Hindi siya ang magsasabi na he will not decide for you, but he will give you the guidelines, the points, or the tips na para ma-shorten yung learning curve.
Yes.
Diba? And Jerome San is not just a mentor. He's a brother to me.
By the way po,
pamilya
si
talaga.
Jerome San, buhay na buhay po siya. Baka kala nyo parang rich dad Asia. Kasi, ito naman kasi he's like,
Kasi love ko talaga si Jerome.
we love you, Jerome. Buhay na buhay po si Mr. Jerome San.
Yeah.
In fact, tumatawa po siya right now. Malamang.
And another thing, ang ginagawa ng mentor, I mean, he will kick you in the butt in times na talagang matigas ang ulo mo and you're
Yes.
very stubborn. Siya talaga, Jeff, gawin mo to. Gawin mo siya.
Sa distribution
Okay.
business kasi, yes.
Yes, oo. So, sobrang for me is very important. And siguro wala ako dito or hindi ko natutunan ng mga bagay na to if not for my mentor, Jerome.
Yes.
Kasi being a Chinese, ang dami mo talaga matutunan, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Yung mga tinuro niya sa atin na you have to do this first kasi you cannot teach something you do not know. Correct?
Yes.
Sa kanya kayo natutunan.
Mm-mm.
How about you?
Ako kasi, pareho naman tayo ng I value mentorship and I really enroll and I really splurge. One of the biggest, lalo na nung pandemic,
Yes.
talagang kung ano-anong mga course o yung mga pinagkukuha ko, kani-kanino talaga ako nag-enroll.
Student
the
for
pandemic-
life talaga.
The pandemic actually is a gift for me din kasi doon nag-level up. At the same time, nag-expand din talaga yung horizon ko. Hindi lang ako na-focus sa negosyo. Ang dami kong mga natutunan because of the mentors that I met during the pandemic. And speaking of mentorship, parehong-pareho tayo ng reason. That's why I invest a lot in them. And I have a lot of coaches right now. Yung isang na lang, siguro para sa akin, what I wanted to share to them, one of the things that I actually learned so much from Jerome, na talagang na-drill down talaga sa akin. Nasa nasa 48 Laws of Power, number 5, ni Robert Greene, the value of reputation.
Yeah.
So,
true.
it was Jerome talaga kasi we were doing distribution business at that time.
Yeah.
And then, of course, hindi naman talaga natin maipagkakaila na may bad apple, may good apple. Mas marami yung good apple. It so happened lang that from time to time, mas na-highlight yung mga bad apple.
Mm-mm.
So, it was Jerome talaga when I was still doing the distribution business and even when we became business partners na kay Lorus, lagi niya sinasabi sa akin na sa Chinese daw, sa kanila, pinalaki sila na laging sinasabi ng mga magulang, ng mga elderly sa kanila na alagaan mo ang pangalan mo.
Yes,
Kasi
true.
sa Chinese community,
maliit lang yung community
maliit
nila.
lang ang community, may gawin kang hindi maganda sa negosyo. Yun na yung downfall mo. And nobody would want to work with or help
Correct.
somebody na may ganong klaseng reputation. That's
True.
why, lagi niya sinasabi sa akin na parang in anything that you are doing, lagi mong tatandaan, kailangan ikagaganda ba ito ng pangalan ko
Yes.
or ikapapangit ng pangalan ko.
Yeah.
So doon talaga, kaya even when I was still in the distribution business, when I work with people, nagkakaroon ako ng downline, and then mga sideline, diba? Tapos ngayon sa Lorus,
Yeah.
we collaborate a lot. Ayun, so that's why, dito sa atin sa Lorus Center, dito lalo na ngayon, girl, nasa Lorus na tayo.
Yeah.
And then, ang dami nating collaborations. Thank God! Grabe, ang daming taong gustong makipag-work sa atin, makipag-partner sa atin. So, every time na somebody would approach me, offer an opportunity to collaborate or work together or partner together, lagi kong tinitingnan siya on the angle na win-win-win.
Yeah.
Parang, is this going to be beneficial for me? Is it going to be beneficial for
the
him or
company.
her? And is it going to be beneficial ba doon sa mga tao na isi-serve ng whatever project na to?
Yes.
Yan talaga yung natutunan. Talagang tatandaan ko yan lagi. Yan sabi ko, isang bagay na hindi ko makakalimutan sa lahat ng mga
Yeah.
tinuro ni Jerome. Grabe
Exactly.
yan.
Kasi you have tendency if you're beginning pa lang, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Gusto mo talaga makipag-connect sa name na ganito.
Yes.
Di ba? Gusto, collaborate tayong ganito. Yes ka lang ng yes. Without knowing na this person has a not so good background.
Mm-mm.
So eventually, sa'yo yung fireback na bakit ka
Yes.
nakipag-collaborate? Pati ikaw nasira. di ba?
True. Ayan. So ngayon, Jeff, 2015, tayo naging business partner.
Mhm.
Diba? Kasi dati lang tayo, sidelines. truth be told, hindi po kami magkaibigan ni Jeff nung
Oo.
nag-start. Naging magkaibigan na lang po kami along the way.
Mhm.
Even when we were starting in Lorus as business partners at that time, ano lang tayo, parang casual
kasi
pa.
sa distribution, pag sidelines, di ba sabi?
Oo. Pag magkaiba, di ba kasi yung mga hello, di ba lagi sinasabi kapag wag ka makipag-collaborate o makipag-work sa mga sidelines, dapat kay upline ka lang didiretso, mga ganyan. But anyway, dahil nga po ang upline namin pareho, si Jerome San, so hindi talaga maiwasan, nagkakaroon kami ng nakikita-kita every now and then. And then when we became business partners, eto na girl, kasi marami nagtatanong, paano tayo naging owners ni Lorus? Spill the tea na ba tayo? Ito po yung totoo. When Jeff and I became a business owners of the company, back then, we were still volunteer, mid-2015. Until, si Jerome po kasi, pinangarap niya talaga na madala si Robert Kiyosaki dito sa Philippines.
Mhm.
So for a very long time, he was asking Bellum, can we bring Robert? And Bellum would say, no, you're not ready. Paulit-ulit yan, para silang sirang plakang dalawa. Tapos natatawa na lang kami kasi nga ganun yung conversation nila. Until 2015, Robert was already thinking of doing a Southeast Asia tour
Mhm.
together with Success Resources, yung business partner natin right
Yes.
now. And they were considering including the Philippines. So, syempre, alam nila Success Resources, hi, Richard and Veron, thank you so much for partnering with us. We are so grateful for the wonderful opportunity that you have given us. We are forever, forever grateful and indebted to you guys. So, at that time, when they were, looking for a partner in the Philippines to be their strategic partner in organizing the event, because they don't know the market 'Diba? So, it's very wise nga naman na instead na punta sila dito, aralin nila, look for somebody na who is
Correct.
already doing events. So, kami po yung na-recommend ni Bellum. Dahil nga lumalaki na po yung Cashflow 101 workshop namin at that time, every month, mahina yung 100 participants meron
And
tayo.
we have a community already.
Yes, we already have a community. So, kami po yung na-recommend. And then at that time, sabi ni Bellum kay Jerome, it's now time for you to bring Robert Kiyosaki. Ito yung nakakatawa. Ang sagot ni Jerome, am I ready? Are we ready? So sabi ni Bellum, yes, you are. However, hindi po pwede na gagawin mo to on your own lang.
Yes.
You have to find business partners to support you. So dahil kami po yung ka-work na ni Jerome San as volunteer sa Cashflow 101, core leaders na kasi kami ni Jev nun Kumbaga parang we're helping already in the marketing, in the sales, and also hindi lang kami during event nandoon, even outside of the event, we're already supporting the company.
Yes, talang 100% yung support na binibigay
Yes.
natin. And we're so grateful with Bellum Tan. Kasi to be honest, madaming gustong makipag-partner kay Success Resources because they really want to bring their events here in the Philippines.
Millionaire Mind Intensive,
Yes,
the
the
National
National
Achievers
Achiever.
Congress. Yes.
Correct. But because of that relationship with Bellum Tan and also Success Resources, kami yung napili.
True.
Of all, di ba?
Yes.
And we are just a small company back then.
Yes.
Pero of all companies, sa amin nagtiwala, it's because of Mr. Bellum Tan.
Yeah, that's the importance of relationship.
Correct.
Yeah. Balikan ko yung tanong na yan, Kung ang buhay daw natin, ano yung tanong? Kung ang buhay natin, buhay negosyo natin, maikukumpara natin sa isang pelikula, anong
Pelikula?
subject daw?
Pelikula
Ako,
o school?
Ay, hindi pala. School subject pala. GMRC.
pelikula?
Nagulo na. Anyway, going back. So, ang nangyari po sa amin ni Jeff, kinausap po kami ni Jerome at that time. Ako po, honestly, I was bankrupt pa at that time, girl. Wala akong pera kasi I made a lot of wrong decisions in my distribution business at that time. So, lahat ng credit card ko kaskas, may utang ako sa friends. I wasn't eating. I have to wait for my husband para lang ako makakain. So, syempre, parang nandoon yung apprehension, girl, na magiging business partner. Kasi idea, kapag business partner, you have to put in money agad-agad.
Correct.
Pero, in my case, and even in your case, diba, Jerome was so kind na he wanted to partner with us because of the value that we were already giving to the company.
True.
Kahit na hindi tayo nababayaran for a very long time. He wanted us to be part of the company talaga officially.
Yes.
So, yun po yung totoo. Jev and I, we started in Lorus without putting in the actual money. Hindi kami naglabas ng pera namin na puhunan sa company. Ang ibinigay po namin sa company is kagandahan lang. Hindi, joke lang.
Yung skills and talent namin, magaling talaga kami kumanta.
kantahan pala.
Our skills. Kasi maraming siyang pwedeng itap to become partners. However, talagang nakita niya yung dedication natin sa craft natin. Nakita niya yung resilience also and the right mindset.
Yes. Kasi tsaka alignment.
Correct.
Value alignment. And at the same time, kasi for Gemini, sa totoo lang po talaga, kaya kami nag-volunteer before, kahit na hindi po kami binabayaran, the Cashflow 101 workshop, in a way, naging advocacy na rin namin
Yes.
siya. Dahil product kami ng Cashflow 101 workshop, naging business owners kami because of Cashflow 101 workshop kasi yun po yung nag-open ng mind namin.
Oh, yes.
So now, it became part of our advocacy to spread the message of Cashflow 101 workshop to other people. Hindi mo man gusto siguro, hindi mo man gusto magnegosyo, pero yung personal finance, yung matuto ka how to handle your money so that you can grow it, natutunan lang po namin yan kay Cashflow 101.
It's very, parang highly recommended yung book.
Yes.
Just read the book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and you will learn a lot. And you will thank us later.
Yes. And
Talaga.
highly recommended si Cashflow 101
Cashflow
workshop.
And now the facilitator is Joanna.
Maraming salamat, Jerome San, for all the lessons and of course the mentorship.
Yes.
Kumbaga, kaya ko naman nagawa na ipagpatuloy ang legacy ni Bellum Tan and then going to Jerome San, and now that I am doing the Cashflow 101 workshop, it's because of the mentorship of Jerome and Bellum as well. So So sa lahat po ng mga nagbabalak magnegosyo, may mga cases po talaga, hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon kailangan mo kagad na may pera ka.
Yes.
Coming from our journey, pwede ka pong magsimula as a business partner even if you don't have the money yet. How? Mag-invest ka po. Real relationship. Tapos po talagang come from the space of value na tumulong ka dun sa kaibigan mo na may negosyo, paano mo mapapalago yung company niya even if, 'di ba, wala kang nilalabas na pera. Kasi ang pag-grow naman ng company, hindi naman yan puro pera lang. Madami pa pong aspects ang negosyo.
Yes,
Yeah.
have the right mindset and put in the work talaga.
Yes,
Start with yourself.
True.
And then if you do something, be intentional. Gawin mo lahat. Kung
Yes.
trabaho ka, ipakita mo you deserve to be, you deserve everything that you have right now.
True. And then coming back, dun sa natin, yun nga, kasi in relation na rin naman siya dito sa pinag-uusapan natin, yung tanong na, kung ang buhay negosyo natin, maigagaya sa
talaga
subject.
isisingit mo talaga yan.
Sisingit ko talaga to. Gusto ko talaga tong tanong na to eh. Kasi may nag-phone in question. Phone in. Sabi niya, if our business lives can be compared to a school subject, kasi syempre, Islam book tayo, what subject would it be? Ako, GMRC. Para hindi mo na siya maagaw sa akin. And seriously, why GMRC? Kasi I'm a firm believer that business is never about the product. Yeah. It's never about the company. It's never about the people who funded it. It's all about the relationships that you built along the way.
True, I agree.
Yes.
Copy-paste. sa school, pwede mag-copy. Joke lang.
Good manners and right conduct.
Correct.
What do we mean by that? Ako po kasi, ako naging from the corporate, tumalon ako sa distribution business, and now that I own co-own Lorus Enterprises, and now that I am the facilitator of Cashflow 101 workshop, iisa lang talaga ang connector ng lahat ng yan. The relationship I built along the way.
Yeah.
And even until now, that people wanting to work with us, it's because nakikita nila how we value other people and how we value all the relationships that we are doing. Hindi lang sa team natin, sa Lorus team natin, hindi lang sa atin na business partners, but even with the people that we really work with. Kasi nga, win-win-win talaga ang paniniwala namin.
Yeah.
Yes. So ikaw, anong subject? Science?
Wala na kinuha mo ni.
Math. Ipasok natin, math.
Isingit natin yung math.
Isingit natin yan.
Bakit sinong
Kasi,
math?
di ba syempre, madaming
Actually, yung math is not about the addition, subtraction.
Money management.
Yes.
Money
Personal
management.
finance, money
Yes.
management. Kasi, you may be good in sales, you may be good in other things, pero if you don't know how to handle money,
yes,
yan din yung magiging downfall mo.
And maraming mga business owners, they're losing a lot of money. sorry to say this, pero kasi, of course, in every industry naman, in every profession, once again, there are good apples and bad apples.
Mhm.
So, marami po mga business owners, if you're a business owner like us, okay lang naman po na mag-hire tayo ng accountants natin.
Yes.
Wala pong masama dyan. Pero, ang nagiging masama po, 100% pinagkakatiwala na po natin sa accountants natin yung money natin. So as a business owner kasi, it is really our responsibility to know alam mo yun yung, what do you call that, girl? Yung kahit yung minor information ng in
Yes.
and out ng
Basic.
money. Basic, yes.
Katulad nga ng sinasabi ni Ernie Baron, knowledge
Yes.
is power.
Yes.
It's not that, it's okay, yes, it's okay to have an accountant. Tama yun. Kasi hindi mo naman maasikaso lahat. But it's also important if you understand the basic.
Yes.
The ins, saan napupunta, the ins and outs of money of the company. You should understand that.
True.
Alam mo kung saan napapasok, saan napupunta. Na you should have that, at least yung basic knowledge na yan. You can attend different
May
trainings and
accounting for
workshops.
non-accountants.
Yes,
I took
trainings.
that
Yeah.
in UP.
Correct. You don't have to be really good in math. You just have to understand yung basic.
Yes.
Kung saan napupunta yung pera.
Yes.
Diba? Paano ito na-come up, diba?
And speaking of kung saan napupunta ang pera, ipopromote ko na rin po. Ayong Fantabulous by Joanna. Hanapan natin ng connection.
Oo nga naman. Paano nagsimula si I'm Fantabulous?
Si Ayong Fantabulous, it is a product of the pandemic. Sabi ko nga
Yes.
sa inyo, the pandemic is a gift
Just
for
like
me.
Smoke Club.
Just like a Smoke Club. Kasi of course, nag-halt ang mga businesses. I was looking for another source of income. And then, nabuhay yung batang pangarap ko na I can be a fashion designer.
Yes.
In fact, nagkaroon po ako ng launch in Okada. I launched my
Yes.
fashion brand, Ayong Fantabulous by Joanna Marie. And then eventually, nag-evolve po siya. I created affirmation shirts. And right now, the affirmation shirts po, I saw already thousands of people wearing.
Yes.
Natutuwa ako pag nakikita ko yung mga suot nila yung t-shirt ko na
Yeah.
loudly saying, I am a money magnet, I am a
Yes.
chief encouragement officer.
Kasi
So,
we Loris Enterprises collaborated with I Am Fantabulous.
yes.
So in one of its events, Millionaire Mind, we distribute the I Am Money Magnet shirt,
Yes.
affirmation shirt.
And
we
of
give
course,
it to
kasi
guests.
as business owners, affirmation, self-talk is
Correct.
actually very important for us. So
Yes.
that's why, if you're looking for something that would remind you of your own greatness, and you would have your own affirmation na suot, wear your affirmation, then go to I Am Fantabulous by Joanna Marie. Grabe, girl. Parang feeling ko 5 minutes pa lang tayo nagkukwentuhan. Parang wala naman tayong naibigay na
Bakit
bago.
kasi may deadline? Ba't kasi may hangganan ito?
Yes.
Pag chika-chika talaga, dapat dire-diretso.
True, yes. So, maraming salamat po sa inyo, our dear viewers at our dear listeners, kung saan nyo man po kami pinapanood at pinapakinggan, kung habang nagluluto po ba kayo o habang nagda-drive kayo.
Huwag naman sama habang naliligo.
Pwede din, habang naliligo,
Wow!
nakikinig ako as in piniplay ko lang.
Okay.
Diba? Pwede yun, pwede yun.
Pwede,
Talaga
pwede.
ginagawa
Naipasok,
ko yun.
naipasok.
Naipasok. So, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Whatever value that nakuha po ninyo dito sa episode na to, please do let us know in the comment section. At kung meron po kayong mga gusto ninyong i-guess na mga
Yes.
alam na po ninyo na self-made millionaires or multi-millionaires, right? Please let us know in the comment section. We would love to connect to them and at the same
Yes.
time, bring them to you through Islambook Millionaire.
Dapat magkaroon din tayo ng Q&A.
Yes.
Yung parang live, you can ask anything.
Gusto mo ngayon na? Pagkatapos po nito, magme-makeup lang po ulit kami.
Kasi parang hindi talaga enough yung natin eh.
Yes. Pero if that is something that you want for Jev and I to do habang nagluluto kami, siya lang pala yung nagluluto, ako hindi masyado. Habang nagluluto kami, we can actually do that, girl.
Diba?
Yeah, we do. Yan. So, of course, our last sponsor na gusto po namin pasalamatan, kanina pa po namin siya pinag-uusapan, Loris Enterprises Incorporated.
Of course, bakit ba natin kakalimutan?
Yes.
Our very own Loris Enterprises
Yes.
trainings.
So, we are doing personal development and professional growth events here in the Philippines. We already brought some of the best thought leaders, world-renowned
Yes.
thought leaders like Robert Kiyosaki, Gary Vaynerchuk, Matthew Hussey, Vishen Lakiani, Ken Honda, sino pa? Marami pa pong iba. Penjun, nadala na rin
Yeah.
po natin. And we are the exclusive organizer of some of the world-renowned trainings. And this has been attended by millions of people around the world. The
Correct.
likes of Millionaire Mind Intensive,
and National Achievers
and
Congress.
National Achievers, and of course, our very own Cashflow 101 workshop. We also have Takeoff Summit.
Yes.
Yes.
And yung Takeoff Summit, because Laura's Enterprises is known in bringing international speakers in the Philippines. The Takeoff Summit is the stage we prepared for the Filipino speakers.
Yes, 100% Pinoy for the Pinoys.
Yes.
And of course, we also have our Unmessable program. So this is the program, if you want life to not mess anymore with you, be part of our Unmessable program. At marami pa po kaming
Marami
bubuuing
pa.
events.
This 2025, watch out for the new events to be created by Laura's Enterprises.
Yes, ayan po. So marami pong salamat muli sa inyo. Our dear sponsors, once again, Pillow Beds PH.
Pillow Bread PH.
Yes, I Am Fantabulous by Joanna Marie.
Smoke Club Barbecue.
And lastly, Lorus
Lorus
Enterprises.
Enterprises.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtitiwala at sa inyong maaming viewers and listeners from our hearts to yours. We are sending you all the love, all the goodness in this world, and always believe you are fantabulously created for a purpose. So embrace it, hold it, because you are meant to be great. Bye for now.
Thank you so much. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.
If you enjoyed this episode, share this to your social media accounts and let us know what you think. We'd love to hear from you.
If you have comments, questions, and suggestions, share it with us at Slambog Millionaire PH.
Make sure that you're subscribed so that you get notified for our next episode.
If you know a millionaire, or maybe you are the millionaire, let us know.
We'd love to have you on the show, definitely. We'd love to hear your story as well. And of course, don't forget, follow us as well at Joanna Marie Lazaro.
And Jeff Aurelio.
See you in the next episode, Millionaire!